Hello, guys, and welcome back to today's live at Voice of Crypto. I hope you're doing well out there. So, today we're talking about what drove the Bitcoin price down. So, before we get into any TA or news, I would love to remind none of this content it is our financial advice. So, you must do your own market research. With that said, let's move straight away to the BTC price and what is actually playing out. So Bitcoin, it is currently trading at 65,566. So yesterday I mentioned that I was gonna wait to enter a new trade, and the momentum it is happening. So as long as we don't break the support level, I remain bullish on a BTC. I know there is a lot of noise and a lot of people panicking out, but remember, anytime, like, okay, previously we hit this 200 AMA and the BTC price went back up, and I think we are likely to see the same thing this time. So we could go a little bit lower, of course. So I'm looking forward to enter my new positions on the next coming hours, or literally like in 1 or 2 hours, because I think we will likely to go up from this level. So if we are going to break the resistance yet, I don't know, but I think it is an interesting opportunity to go long as we have this massive deep opportunity. But of course, you have to do your own market research. End of the day, that's my personal opinion and what I'm personally doing, buying the deep and trying to, manage my positions. So we broke this triangle and we currently retesting the 200 EMA like we did previously here. So as long as we hold, I think it is an interesting area to go long once more. So now on the Ethereum, it is very, very similar, but I also think we will likely to come somewhere around 3,300. So on this next right candle, I'll be entering. And also, if you look into the other side, the buying momentum it is about to happen. So I'm literally waiting on the next 1 hour to enter my long position on Ethereum as well. And of course, I will share with you tomorrow here at Voice of Crypto. So 3,300 it is going to be an interesting entry. Whatever, if we don't, I think it is already a great time to start longing. So as long as we hold support around these levels and bounce up back, we're fine. Okay, so it's not time to panic yet. If we do break the support, then make sure to have your stop loss and exit, because if we break support, we are going to go lower. Okay, but at the moment we're literally inside support and resistance on my perspective. So I'm a little bit bullish still, just waiting on the best momentum to enter, and is approaching absolutely right now. But now moving into coin market cap, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap it is currently at 2.46 trillion, a 6.39 decrease over the last day. So fear and greedy today is at 79. It was at 80 yesterday, so nothing really crazy happening. I think we also approaching the halving, as I mentioned loads of times. So it is likely to see these things. If you go to the liquidation graph, you can also see the market is moving to liquidate people and manipulate a lot. So what I'm personally doing right now, I'm just waiting on the top momentum to enter BTC and Ethereum, and it's gonna happen on the next 1 or 2 hours, I think. So yes, moving back to today's news at Cointelegraph, the Bitcoin reset bull market BTC price metrics as April dips passes 7%. So we had a 7%, nearly 7% deep. Bitcoin metrics ditch overheaded signals with BTC price losing 7% in April. BTC is resetting multiple key metrics as the Bitcoin price drops, flushes, or leverage. The Bitcoin RSI returns to key support. Data from Cointelegraph, Market Pro, and TradingView show BTC USD is currently acting around 66K after falling 5% in a single hourly candle. Bitcoin might be down 7% in April, but a retest of support is already having a cathartic effect on overheated markets. As a Cointelegraph reported, with the last drop came a major liquidation event, one which at the time of writing totally 400 million for Bitcoin and altcoins combined. With it, the data from monitoring resources CoinGlass funding rates started turning negative. Prices are pushing lower and funding rates plummet as a result. Popular trader Jelly comment in an X post. BTC and Ethereum margin contracts already into the negatives. All leverage must be destroyed before price discovery. Crypto funding rate heat map sourced by CoinGlass. In the last edition of its Asia Morning Call market updates sent to Telegram channel subscribers, trading firm KCP Capital acknowledged the significant change in the funding landscape. The speed of the move was due to large liquidations on retail-heavy exchanges like Binance, which saw pop funding rates go from a high 77% to flat. He wrote, adding that the move brings spot prices right back into the middle 60K and 72K range. While pub funding has compressed, the rest of the forward curve remains very elevated, he added. Will this be a move that brings the whole curve back down? That's a question. At the same time, Bitcoin relative index, the RSI, rates on a daily time frame are back into the fifth midpoint. This is an important line in the chart during uptrends, and it is preservation has characterized Bitcoin since the end of January. Bitcoin as jelly, among the others, notes deliver it's a strong performance with the RSI above 70 signal for the price. So here we have the data from TradingView. Bollinger Bands echo 45,000. Turning to volatility, Bollinger Bands on a daily time frame are hitting as fresh a pre-breakout phase for BTC and USD. Uploading a chart to ex-popular analyst Matthew Hyland drew comparisons to February. Daily Bollinger Bands continues to tie to levels not since the move started from 45K, he commented. In the later December 2023, Cointelegraph reported at both RSI and Bollinger Bands demands in acceleration of the bull market. So here we have the momentum at 69,286 and the RSI marked on the 0.20, which is kind of a main point. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. I agree. I do agree with that. So, as we see, we have a couple of different opinions relating to this Bitcoin dip, but personally, I think every time you can buy a dip and exit at a higher point, even if we don't break even, you can always, buy lower and exit with some profit if you manage to place your stop loss correctly. However, if you are holding Bitcoin on a long term, we all know it is an interesting and great opportunity. So today we are going to have a look again on the top cryptocurrency gainers and losers. So again, today the top gainer is still on top. It is Core. We saw this coin yesterday and it is currently trading at 3.21. It's up 80.92% on the past 24 hours, leading until today. Wow, I think it is an interesting one to keep tracking. Second place, we have Tau, currently trading at 580.41. Is up 4.39%. Bigger token, which is an interesting one as well. It is currently at 1.11 and is up 2%, 0.35. We have Marker is up 1%, and Leo, I actually don't know about this one, but that's what we have on the top gainers today. It is very interesting to see Core leading for the second day, and we're not seeing dog with a hat today. Top losers, it is CFX, is down 15.03%. The current price is at 0.37 cents, so it might be an interesting one to have a look and catch it for the next bump. Okay, but again, if you are trading these tokens, meme coins, altcoins, be very aware the volatility is a little bit crazier than BTC and Ethereum. So it is an interesting move to catch, whatever is to the downside or to the upside, but just make sure to wait for the right momentum. AXL, the current price is at 1.74 and is down 14%, 0.5, okay, on the past 24 hours. So however, it's between 14, 15, for the best deep, honestly, to make more profit. So Pepe is down 12%, 0.75. Bitcoin SV is down 30%, 0.20, currently trading at 85.43. We have Aptos also on the third place, is down 14% and is currently trading at 15.15. So we do have a couple of ones. I would go for the top ones actually, not financial advice. Even though in that dog with a hat, it is likely to lead again at some point. But when it comes to trading, you definitely want to just go with the numbers, and whatever is deeper or higher, you want to jump in. So Dogecoin is not doing much, but I am expecting Dogecoin to move at some point. But if you are holding on a long term, I would just wait as well on though. Now then, this one, it is an interesting one to have a look on. It's down 11%. Nothing crazy really. I mean, it is, but compared to other moves that we've seen to the upside, is nothing that deep really. But I would definitely have a look on though. This coin has done incredible things on the past days. Mina, it's currently at $1, 0.5, and is down 10%. So today we have some great, interesting opportunities on the altcoins. I would love to see on the, flipping back to the top gainers and maybe dog with a hat as well. So make sure to do your own research, and let's go to crypto bubbles just to have a more dynamic look into what is going on today. So we see core. This coin is up 256%. It is leading today at the weekly. And whatever, guys, is down like 20% near protocol, 24% AKT, flow. What else? KuCoin token, 26%. That's what you want to look for. Okay, that's why I like to come to crypto bubble sometimes, because you can have a better look into the altcoin market and actually what's going on. Are down 20%. So whatever is between like 26% to 20%, it is better for you to catch for the next opportunity. Okay, but today the top leading one is core. Core is currently trading at 3.20, is up 255% on the week. Let's keep tracking this one and see until um, until the top and actually where it's going to stop. So if you like to know more about Web3 and cryptocurrency, and if you are into this world, you should definitely join the Voice of Crypto Telegram group. And if you are interested on the daily news and whatever is going on a Web3 world, you should definitely go to Voice of Crypto website. Link down below to all platforms. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow. Make the most of trading. Thank you.